Hello everyone, here's another lesson for you this week. Today we will be learning about the movements of animals. Do you know what are those movements of animals? In this lesson, we will be learning about the different movements of animals. Are you ready? Why does the animal move? In order to survive, animals move around to look for food, water, and shelter. They also move to escape from their enemies and to find mate to have young. What are the different movements of the animals? Animals move in different ways. First, some animals run. Say it with me, run. Let's spell R-U-N, run. The cheetah runs so fast. A cheetah runs. There are some examples also of animals that runs as well. First, tiger, zebra, ostrich, horse. A tiger, a zebra, an ostrich, a horse runs. Run, run. Another movement of some animals, walk. Some animals walk. Let's spell W-A-L-K, walk. Look at this video. An elephant walks. An elephant walks. Not just an elephant can walk. There are some animals that can walk also. These are giraffe, sheep, camel, cow. A giraffe, a sheep, a camel, a cow walks. Walk, walk. Another movements of some animals is hop. Say it with me, hop. Let's spell H-O-P, hop. Look at this video. A rabbit hops. Not just the rabbit can hop. There are some animals also that can hop, such as rats, grasshopper, frog, kangaroo. A rat, a grasshopper, a frog, a kangaroo hops. Hop, hop. Let's continue. Some animals swim. Swim. Let's spell S-W-I-M, swim. Look at this video. A fish swims. A fish swims. Not just the fish can swim. There are some animals also that can swim, just like whale, jellyfish, hippopotamus, and shark. A whale, a hippopotamus, a jellyfish, a shark swims. Swim. Next, let's continue. Some animals fly. Say it with me, fly. Let's spell F-L-Y, fly. Look at this video. An eagle flies. An eagle flies. Not just the eagle, some animals can fly also, just like butterfly, owl, bee, and bat. A butterfly, an owl, a bee, a bat, flies. Fly, fly. Next one, some animals slither. Say it with me, slither. Now let's spell S-L-I-T-H-E-R, slither. Look at this video. A snake slithers. A snake slithers. Slither, slither. And the last one, some animals crawl. Say it with me, crawl. Let's spell C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Look at this video. This is a centipede. A centipede crawls. Not just the centipede, but also there are some animals that crawl. Here are some examples. Crocodile, scorpion, gecko, earthworm. Crocodile, scorpion, a gecko, and an earthworm crawls. Now again, crawl, crawl. Great job, everyone. Now let's practice our conversation in this topic. All you have to do is repeat after me. Ready? Now look at this picture. What animal is this? This is an ostrich. What is the movement of an ostrich? Yes, that's right. We can say an ostrich runs. One more time. An ostrich runs. It does not fly. It does not fly. Next, what animal is this? Yes, that's right. This is an elephant. What is the movement of the elephant? Great. An elephant walks. Now we can say an elephant walks. An elephant walks. It does not slither. It does not slither. Great job. Let's continue. What animal is this? Snake. Great job. What is the movement of a snake? That's right. The movement of snake is slither. Now we can say a snake slithers. One more time. A snake slithers. It does not walk. It does not walk. Let's proceed. What animal is this? An eagle. Very good. What is the movement of an eagle? Great job. Fly. So we can say an eagle flies. Again, an eagle flies. It does not crawl. It does not crawl. What animal is this? This is a fish. What is the movement of fish? Great job. Swim. Now we can say a fish swims. One more time. A fish swims. It does not hop. It does not hop. Another one. What animal is this? Yes, that's right. It's a turtle. What is the movement of a turtle? Great job. A turtle crow. Crow. Great job. Crow. Now we can say a turtle crows. A turtle crows. It does not fly. It does not fly. Another one. What animal is this? That's right, it's a rabbit. What is the movement of a rabbit? Hop. Great job. Now we can say a rabbit hops. Again, a rabbit hops. It does not swim. It does not swim. Great job, everyone! Today, we've learned the different movements of the animals. And these movements are run. Say it with me, run. Walk. Walk. Hop. Hop. Fly. Fly. Swim. Swim. Slither. Slither. Crawl. Crawl. Great job, everyone. Now here's your worksheets that you are going to do at home. First, match the animal to how it moves. Second, fill in the blanks with the correct words. And the last one, draw an animal that represents each movement below. Good luck, everyone!